Hi, Kathy here from Kathy's Cute Creations with my daughter,
Sherry.
And we are bringing you a video. I just stepped on a bone, that's why I did that. On who's adopting Mrs. Quilty. Should be called Miss Quilty, but that's all right.
Maybe she's married.
Who would adopt somebody that's married? I was playing along with adopting.
Sorry,
That's all right.
My bad.
Okay, so we're giving box 1, and we're going to show you what's in box 1 so you know what you're getting. Ready? Let's see what's in the box. The magazine comes like this. This is box 1. It has 4 projects in the box. Here's the fabric. Isn't that pretty blues?
They're all blues.
Yep, they coordinate.
Yes. And then I think it starts to repeat. Maybe not.
No, I don't think there's anything repeated there.
Maybe not. Okay.
Nope, it's all...
That works.
Well, we can't see. There we go. Polka dots.
I like the polka dots. Got stripes.
Oh, yeah.
Darker polka dots. Polka dots.
Those are pretty blues.
Yeah.
Flowers.
I just don't want to take it apart because.
Flip around to the back side. Show it.
And then the last one, of course, is nice
That
butterflies.
One, that's really nice.
That one.
Yes, definitely.
Black butterflies.
Okay, and then you get a couple of gifts.
And then these are the 2 things that come in a little sachet. I guess. Can I open this?
Sure,
I guess
it's not tied down or anything.
No, it's just in the bag.
This is to get you started on some tools. Because if you're new, you probably haven't bought anything yet.
So they've already included the ruler that you're going to need to use when you make your project, when you start cutting your fabric.
What size is that ruler?
I'm going to go with the 10 by 10.
No.
Okay.
Okay,
Then
so let's learn how to read the ruler. 1 inch, 2 inch, 3 inch, 4 inch, 5 inch, 6.5.
Okay.
And it's the same down here, 6.5. So it's a 6.5. You can see the numbers, 1 through 6, and this is a half.
If you can't see them like me,
And same at the bottom.
it's not because you need glasses. It's because it has a protective film over it. So once you take the protective film over it, then you'll be able to see it.
Right.
So I was just going by, it looked like a 9. So that's why I said a 10 by 10. And then the other thing you have is pins.
Yes.
To pin your fabric down.
Definitely going to need
you
those.
Sew it. And then you'll pull the pin out as you sew it.
And those are the really good pins too. I use those pins.
Oh, there you go.
They're nice. Yeah. Okay, so
that's what's in the box. And then this book right here is also in the box.
And so Sherry is going to do, what's it called?
The block of the month, the Cozy Mosaic block.
That's the block.
It has flying geese in it, and
there you go. And we have our own pens and rulers and all that. Okay, and then you'll get
and we have fabric, so we won't be using
coupon.
We won't be using what came in the box. That way, this box is This box is the giveaway box.
Yeah, that's the giveaway box.
We're
giving away box number 1. Yes, we are. Okay. Now,
and that was the other thing. This is box number 1 that came.
Right. We went ahead and we got on the website so we can give you a little bit more information. So when you subscribe, if you subscribe today, you get your first box within the next 2 to 6. After that, each box gets shipped out. No, days, honey.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
That's all right. After that, each box gets shipped out on the 9th of the month. And then you can cancel anytime. There's no strings attached. In other words, you haven't locked in for a year's worth of getting boxes. They have 12 to 16 different pieces of 100% cotton fabrics. There'll be the magazine. It says with the templates, so you can make templates. If it's in the magazine, let's say it has
so this is the magazine that she's talking about.
Yes.
It's pretty thick.
It is. Let's see if there's any. I don't know if there's any templates in this magazine.
I don't know.
But let's say that you needed a triangle. And instead of them giving you a triangle, then it would be actually in there so that you would copy it and produce it yourself and have a template. Okay. And then they have free quilting gifts, which is like the ruler and the pins. Now, in the first issue of this one, they actually have, I'm not going to tell you what it is, but it's a recipe. In the second box, they don't have a recipe. They actually have a crossword puzzle. So each one will have something different. So that's a good thing to be looking forward to. Each box is, let me see, the price is $31.97 a month. And I believe that is it. Now, that was on the website. You can subscribe to the website also. Let's go ahead and do our drawing and see who our lucky winner is. So I have written 34 names on my pad. She's going to do the number generator.
So that's our number generator. The minimum is 1, the max is 34. You did say 34, right?
Yep, there's 34 right there.
All right, then.
Yep, every line's got something on it.
All right, so then we're going to hit random.
Let's see who the winner is.
Okay, it's lucky number 14.
And that is Lucy Scott. Congratulations, Lucy.
Yay, congratulations.
Be sure and send me your physical address, wherever you're wanting it sent to, and your telephone number in case I've got any questions for you. Alrighty, so it's going to be KathysKuteKreations@gmail.com. I will put it on the screen down here. I also will put it in the little part at the bottom, which will have, just like last week, it's going to have my code. If you decide to go forward with this, it's Kathy20 is my code, so you can join and get yourself a box. Oh. All right? Any other questions?
I didn't know you had a code.
I have a code.
Look at that. Isn't she fancy? No, I was just going to say.
Any questions?
No, I was just going to say about the...
You can't talk about that.
Okay.
That's a special for that box, and we're not going to tell.
Okay.
Okay. But
never mind, sorry.
But one other thing on here is if you want to see, let's say that you get your box, you're not good at reading, you're one of those people that you want to see it in order to do it,
right?
Which is
like
fine.
A hands-on approach or whatever.
Right. A lot of people want to see how to do it, other than just be given all the directions or whatever. So each one has their own QR code. So all you do is you hold your phone up there and it goes to a YouTube video, or it actually has the site where you can type it in on your what's it called? What's that called? Up at the top.
Search engine?
Yeah, up at whatever search engine you're going to use. You can do it that way too, whichever's convenient for you.
I say personally, I'm a hands-on learner or a visual learner. Right. You can give me directions and I can read the directions, you know, all the steps and everything, but I prefer to learn it by seeing it.
Right. And so she's going to do that one, and we'll put that up. We're not keeping anything in this box for her to do it. We're just going to write down the information so she can do it herself, and then she can show you how easy or how hard she feels it is. And then she can give her opinion. If she finds out that's one... If she's not scared to give her opinion.
It's a beginner box, so I should be okay.
But if there's something that she doesn't understand or she finds hard,
or if I find that it's
then she'll say
a little complicated or whatever, I'll let everybody know.
And some people are like that, so don't worry about it.
I'm not gonna lie. I'll be honest. If I feel something was a
little difficult,
well, I guess a little difficult or whatever, like the flying geese thing. Like I've not done that.
Okay, and we can practice with a piece that has nothing to do with the project that you're doing. Of course, now we're not going to have this fabric, so keep that in mind. We're going to have our own fabric because we don't have any of the box stuff. But anything in the way of a tip that I actually show on my videos, I will give to her so that she can go ahead and show the tip. I don't believe it's in the box. We're going to read this to see, but I've never seen the tip that I came up with to keep you from losing your nose on your geese at this point. And I figured that out all on my own after I was constantly chopping the nose off. So all my videos, whenever I make flying geese, I tell how to mark it so that it doesn't happen like that, and I show it, and then we just go from there. I have a whole bunch of tips, and I'm going to start doing videos that shows all the different kind of tips that I've been putting in my videos, so they'll all be compiled into one spot. Yeah. So I'll just do like one type of issue on a video. So there'll be little short videos, and I'll have a playlist, so you can just go to the playlist, pick the video you need to see for a refresher or whatever, and then you'll have it for yourself. Any other questions? Anything else?
No. already said everything.
Okay, who's the winner? Don't look at the paper.
Lucy Scott.
There you go.
See, you didn't think I remembered.
Congratulations again, Lucy Scott. Give me your information, and I'll have this in the mail as soon as you give it to me. Okay? Thanks,
try.
everybody, for watching. Take care. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.